Problems on echo and sonar. Problem 1. A sonar device on a submarine sends out a signal and receives an echo 5 seconds later. Calculate the speed of sound in water if the distance of the object from the submarine is 3625 meters. So let's see what's happening. There is a water body in which the submarine is inside the water body. Let us say this is a submarine and the sonar is on the submarine. Now there is an object here. That object, we need to find the distance between this object and the submarine. How can we find? We can find it with the help of sonar. So what this sonar does, it sends out a signal and from the object it received the signal after 5 seconds. So the time it took for the echo is 5 seconds. And we know the distance between the object and the submarine, which is 3625 meters. So what do we need to find out now? We need to find the speed of the sound in. So the given is the distance between the object and the submarine is 3625 meters. And the time for echo is T is 5 seconds. Always we should remember that the time for echo completes twice this distance because the signal goes from sonar to object and object back to sonar. So we always should take the distance for calculation of speed as twice the d. So the speed is V, speed of sound in water because it is traveling in the water. So V is distance by time. Here the distance is 2 into d by time. So 2 into 3625 by t is 5 seconds. So on cancellation we get it as 1450 meter per second. That means 1450 meter per second is the speed of sound in water in this particular problem. Problem 2. A man standing 825 meters away from a cliff fires a gun. After how long he hears its echo and speed of sound in air is 330 meter per second. So what's given basically? There is a cliff and man is standing 825 meters away from the cliff and he fires a gun. What happens when he fires a gun? The sound wave travels and hits the cliff and reflects back. So there is an echo. So after how long does he hear it? So we need to find the time for the echo. So what are the given things here? The distance between the man and the cliff, D is given as 825 meters. That means 825 meters. And other thing which we have is the velocity of sound in air. V is 330 meters per second. Since for the echo, the sound wave travels to the cliff and comes back. So echo distance will be twice the d. So we can find out now the time that is taken for the man to hear the echo is 2d by v. So 2 into 825 divided by 330 and on cancellation we get 5 seconds because 33 5s is 165. So the time taken for the echo to be heard in this case is 5 seconds. So what does it mean? The man heard the echo after 5 seconds. Problem 3. A man is kidnapped, blindfolded, and imprisoned in a big room. How could the man tell if he was in a city, a village, a bare room, or a furnished room? Let us see, for example, first we will take A, which is he is in a city. How can I say he is in a city? A city always will have lots of traffic, heavy traffic, and due to which noise will be heavier. So if he hears a lot of noise due to heavy traffic, then he can say he is in a city. In a village, what happens? Village is slightly quieter than the city, in fact much quieter than the city, so less noise due to light traffic. He can say, if he hears less noise due to traffic, then he can say he is in a village. And a bare room. What happens in a bare room? In a bare room, there is no absorption, so echo will be higher. From the echoes of the person talking or echoes of talking persons can give him the clue of where he is. And if it is a furnished room, furniture will absorb some of the echoes, so the echoes will be lower. So you can say that he is in a furnished room. So if he hears less echoes, he can say he is a furnished room. If he has a lot of echoes, then he can say he is in a bare room. And if he hears less noise due to traffic, he can say he is in a village. If he hears a lot of noise due to heavy traffic, then he can say he is in a city. These are some ways of finding out where he is. Just with the sound and reflection of sounds, one can make out where he is even if he is not able to see.